Welcome to Designing on a Photo. Now in this video we're going to go into detail on the aspects of designing on a photo. I think you're going to find this very useful. This is actually a long video, but we're going to break it down into sections so it will be more easy for you to absorb. If you haven't yet viewed our Getting Started videos that are on our website, I actually recommend that you take a look at those before you start this Designing on a Photo video. The Getting Started videos will go into step-by-step detail on all the basic commands of Dreamdraper. This video will go into detail on the aspects of designing on a photo. So I think the two videos, the Getting Started video and the Designing on a Photo video, actually complement one another. I just want to mention one other thing. Whether you're designing on a photo, as was done up here in the upper left, and that Dreamdraper design was then filled with fabric and color, and over on the right is the finished room, or whether you are creating a wall elevation such as you see here,